YouTube has legit changed my life a little bit. So 1,000 subscribers in, I thought for sure that I would be talking to the void when I started this YouTube channel. I started this YouTube channel January 13th. I started it basically because I was lonely and I felt isolated and I almost felt quarantined again. Like, you guys all remember how that felt. I can't believe that I'm making this video right now. I thought for sure that I would be alone on YouTube just as alone as I was out here in the shop. I made it mostly so my health isn't great right now. I made these videos that way my kids could have something to like hang out with dad with later in case anything happens to me. I'm not sure what's going on with my health, and it started as that. But I'm getting healthier with you guys, and like I'm getting healthier doing this. The biggest way that YouTube has changed my life and 1,000 subscribers has changed my life is that it's forced me to follow my dreams. There's no excuse to not do what I want to do. If it weren't for you guys and this channel right here, none of this would exist. None of this would exist because I would have been lazy and I wouldn't have put the work in. The only reason I put the work in was because of the YouTube channel, and it was holding me accountable to follow my dreams. So this was here before YouTube. I built this when I started the YouTube, but all this, that's all thanks to you guys holding me accountable and just pushing me to succeed and everybody believing in me. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't believe in myself. I never would have thought I could do all of this. But everybody's saying how inspiring I am, and everybody's saying how inspired they are, and everybody's saying how like I'm really doing it. If I really did it, I would have been lazy and had every excuse to stay in the house in front of the TV if I didn't feel good or for any reason because I didn't feel like it. But I knew that I had to put a video out that week and show progress to the shop, so it drive me to start my dream. So if you're thinking about doing something, do it 100%. And if you're thinking that you need somebody to hold you accountable or you feel alone in it, do it and start a YouTube. Honestly, where I'm from, I know there's a lot of woodworkers out there. And from my neighborhood and where I grew up at, I never knew another woodworker. I started this not knowing how to connect with people in my hobby. And what's cool about YouTube is we all watch the same videos, so the algorithm brings us all together. So if you have a weird hobby or a hobby that nobody else joins you in, and you feel like you're the only one in your circle that's doing it, start a YouTube channel. The YouTube brought us all together to bring a community around me. I have so much support from the woodworking community in my hobby. If you have a weird hobby, you think nobody's like you, I promise you, there's a lot of people just like you that are looking for people to connect with just like you. Because that's what I was looking for when I started this channel. I was looking for a community. And I was, I guess, looking for support. I didn't even realize that I was looking for that. I didn't know that when I started the channel. It wasn't until people started engaging with me and I was like, hey, this is awesome. And it brought me back to life. And honestly, I never, ever in a million years thought I'd ever get 1,000 subscribers. Man, a big thing that I can tell you guys that helped me out a lot was when I started this YouTube channel, I didn't tell a soul. I didn't tell not any of my closest friends or family. I didn't tell anybody. My wife knew. That was it, because she lives with me. But nobody knew what I was doing because they wouldn't support me. They're not woodworkers. They wouldn't care what I'm doing. I mean, obviously they would support me because they love me and they're my friends and family and stuff, but like it wouldn't support the channel because if they subscribe to the channel and they're not woodworkers or liking what I'm doing, they're not YouTubers, you know what I mean? They wouldn't care about anything that I'm doing. So yeah, you get the subscriber, but you don't get anybody watching your videos really or caring about what you're doing. So I didn't tell anybody. This all grew organically. From people that are like-minded, searching the same things on YouTube that I search and doing the same things that I do. And all of this started because these woodworking videos would pop up on my YouTube, and I was inspired by some people. Bearded Viking really inspired me. Bearded Viking super inspired me. Strings and guitars. I stole this whole idea from this video from Strings and Guitars. I'm not even gonna lie. Or Strings and Things. Let me make sure I got this guy's name right. Strings and Sawdust. Strings and Sawdust inspired me when I started the YouTube. I seen that he got 1,000 subscribers, and I seen his video exactly like this, and he's sitting on his workbench. So I took that idea, because I built this workbench, and I'm sitting on my bench, and I am proud of this workbench. So Screens and Sawdust, you inspired me. Bearded Viking, you inspired me. John Malecki, you inspired me. And people are saying that I inspire them now. And that is the craziest, most bizarre, most greatest feeling ever, to know that people are like, I'm doing something right, and I'm doing that. You know what I mean? That's a really weird feeling, because I'm just living my everyday life, and you guys are really just driving me to go a little harder in life, because I have something to show, or I have somebody to show, I guess. I didn't have anything before, and I didn't have anybody that cared about what I was doing. But now people are actually, like, paying attention, I guess. I don't know why people need attention. That's a really weird thing. But it really did help me, and it helped me achieve my goals. I set my goals small enough to where I could reach the rungs of the ladder, to where every week there's a little bit of progress. I started this, man, I remember when this was all farmland. Like, my garage was complete, filled with stuff from my house. If you want to, go check out my first video, or the first progress video. My first video is how to make a wooden sword, because I was selling so many of them out here, and I was spending so much time in my garage. I was alone, and I was making these swords, cranking them out for orders, cranking them out to sell, and it was a lot of fun, but I was lonely. And now, I'm in here all alone right now, but I don't feel alone. I feel like you are personally right here with me, in my garage with me. I don't know, it's the weirdest feeling. I don't talk to this camera like it's a camera. I feel like there's somebody right here, because when I upload it, you guys are here emotionally, like almost physically with me. And that's a really powerful feeling for me, because I am a really codependent person, I've recently found out. And I really don't do well being alone. It's a lot of childhood trauma bullcrap, probably some mommy issues, I don't know. But I really dislike being alone, and even though I am completely alone right now in my garage, I don't feel alone, not one bit, because you were right here with me, and you're paying attention to this, and you're watching this. So 1,000 YouTube subscribers changed my life by, 1, motivating me, 2, keeping me from feeling isolated and alone, giving me support, the community of people in my hobby that have completely just surrounded me with love and support and encouragement and tips, because I didn't even know what the heck I was doing. Safety tips to keep me safe, because my hobby is dangerous. I'm playing with power tools. So thank all the old timers with the knowledge and the wisdom that gave me all the stuff that I'm using now, the knowledge to keep me safe and all my fingers intact. I really appreciate y'all. But yeah, so this is a huge thank you to everybody who has supported the channel, who is part of the movement, who has commented on a video, liked the video, all of my subscribers. You guys are the real rock stars. I see why the Bearded Viking calls them rock stars now, because you guys make me feel like a rock star. So if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, 100% start a YouTube channel. Even if this doesn't work out, I mean, it already did work out. I got 1,000 subscribers. I got a whole wood workshop. I'm doing business. I'm getting an LLC. My wife is in there filing paperwork for LLC and a DBA right now. My life has completely changed in 2 months. I did not think that I would ever get a view on YouTube. No, nothing. I was making this for myself and my kids, honestly, for later in life. And now it's given me more life than I've had in years. And it's inspired me to keep, it's motivated me to keep going. And it's given me a drive and a goal and goals in my head that I fall asleep to at night. Instead of feeling sad and not knowing what to think about, I'm thinking about what's the next video I'm going to make. Like, I'm totally addicted. I'm hooked, hook, line, and sinker. YouTube got me. I'm going to take this to the moon. I'm going to keep going as far as I can, pushing all the products I can to sell for woodworking and like making small projects that sell. This has been so much fun. It's been an adventure. It's been a journey. Thank you for joining me on it. I hope to see you guys in the future. Comment on this video if you liked it. If you're thinking about starting a channel, if you have a YouTube channel, leave it in the comments. Subscribes are free. Dude, we can all help each other out by just subscribing to our people that we like doing the same thing. So if you got a YouTube channel, drop that in the comments right now. I will subscribe to that personally. Like all your videos. And man, I'm with all that. People helping people, community building community. Man, it takes all types to make the world go around. So if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, 1000% start a YouTube channel. Whatever you want to do it in whatever you love. Start your YouTube channel in whatever area you love, because you don't think that there's people like you, and there is. And it's not work when you do what you love doing every damn day. Every day, I cannot wait to get out into this workshop. I go to sleep, I'm at designing stuff on my phone, playing in my digital workshop. I'm editing until 5, 6 in the morning. I'm not even tired. I was up until 6:30 editing. I woke up at 10 because I had a scheduled video today. It was the miter station build, this right here, tomorrow. I also edited and got it scheduled up for the Zelda sword, how to make the Zelda sword, my very first Etsy sale. Dude, I brought an Etsy because of the channel, YouTube channel, so all the projects that we're making in my YouTube channel called The Blessed Carpenter, I made an Etsy page called The Blessed Carpentry, so I can sell the projects that I make off the YouTube. Dude, there's just so many positive aspects and angles from this. Like, YouTube changed my life, 1,000 subscribers. I'm not monetized yet. If you guys want to see that information, I still like 2,000 people or 2,000 watch hours away. So yeah, it could take forever. I wasn't ever expecting to reach this point though, and I am so motivated. And if I ever monetize the channel or get the opportunity, man, we'll make another video on that, and I'll show you guys the progress on how much money I'm bringing in from YouTube. But the woodworking, the Etsy, meeting people, I think my future best friend on this channel. He's from my local area. He's a pastor. He's a youth pastor. He is a woodworker. He is the exact type of person that I was looking to have in my life and just surround myself with positive, good vibes, good people, walking in the steps that I want to follow, in the paths that I want to walk in. And I would have never met this guy if it wasn't for this YouTube right now. And he's probably going to be one of my best friends in life. I'm not even going to lie. I freaking love talking to this guy about everything. It's almost been like counseling and therapy. Not even gonna lie. And it's therapeutic. We woodshop together. This is my dog. And he's way older than me. And he's become one of my closest friends already. 52, I'm 33. My friends are always older than me. I have an old soul. But I'm telling you, you will connect with your people on here, man. It has totally changed my life. So, yeah, I haven't monetized. Here goes some of my YouTube analytics stuff of where my journey is right now. Like I said, I started January 13th. My next goal is 10,000 subscribers. So, hey, if you like this video or it helped you in any way, or if you're about to start a YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button for me. It's free. And let's go on this journey together, and I will follow you on your journey, and we can grow together. This is where I'm at in my journey. And after 4,000 watch hours, I get to monetize, I guess. But I'm not even worried about the money, man. This has been so inspiring. This has been so everything. The money is just kind of happening. I wasn't expecting to make money in my hobby. I was expecting, I don't know, I was kind of, because I chose woodworking, because you can kind of make money in it. I wanted to do blacksmithing and forging. There's more money to be made in woodworking as a hobby. But I wasn't planning on making money as a YouTuber. Dude, never in a million years would you ever, if you had told me, hell, 3 months ago, you're going to have a YouTube channel and you're going to have 1,000 subscribers, and I would have never believed you. Ever. And it's happening right now, live. You're a part of it. You're watching this video right now. You're part of my journey. You're part of my experience. Let me be a part of yours. Leave a comment. Thank you so much for everybody. Please like and subscribe to the video. I'm hoping my next goal is 10,000 subscribers. If it takes 10 years, it takes 10 years. But I'm doing this because this has been the best journey I've been on in my life. And I think I finally found what I want to do in life. So thank you so much to everybody who's been a part of this and supported me and encouraged me and commented on the videos and gave me tips for how to do what I'm doing better, more efficiently, and successfully.
Mike Patterson, GR.
Man, that's exactly what the YouTube video is about right now, is 1,000 subscribers and how it changed my life, and just, man, the motivation and the goals and the support from the community, man, and finding like-minded people like me was really hard in my area. I've never met another woodworker in my area. You know what I mean?
Shit, where are you?
I'm in Lansing, Michigan, but I'm from like I grew up in a different. I grew up differently. You know what I mean? Like, so.
That's funny because now I'm in West Texas, out in the middle of the damn desert, and I started out. I was born in Constantine, Michigan.
Oh, that's cool as heck, man. Okay, well, this video I'm about to put this video up today, so we're going to be able to spread our channels and get our stuff situated here shortly. I'm going to hopefully get everybody to like each other's stuff so we can all boost our channels together. You know what I'm saying?
Badass. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, I need to get the hell off the phone with you so you can get back to shooting, huh?
Yeah, I'm recording this. I've been recording the whole time. I mean, honestly, is it okay if I use a little bit of this in a clip to put in the video?
Tear it up, dude. Absolutely, man.
Because that's what this is all about. It's like, man, I was so damn alone out here. Now I got a whole community around me of support and people that are like-minded, and we're bouncing ideas off each other, and we're helping each other grow.
I'm so thankful that I was able to get a hold of you, man. Seriously, your channel is a real inspiration. I thought I was out here by myself. I thought I was out here just doing my thing. And I'm casting what I know out into the universe and hoping that it gets to the ears that it needs to know. And you're proof positive that if you just keep on that, you're going to make it happen.
Heck yeah, man.
I am so enthusiastic to be part of what you're doing, dude. I can't wait for us to be partners together, man. This is going to be great, man.
Dude, you're the best, dude. Mike, it's such a pleasure and honor, dude, to have you a part of the group, brother.
Absolutely, man. All right, well, I got a bench I'm going to build. I'm probably going to shoot a video about that or at least put out some plans, man, but I'll let you get back to work, dude.
Heck yeah, brother. All right, we'll put it in the group later so I can see your work.
You got it, man.
All right, peace.
All right. See you, brother.
Yo, that is exactly what I'm talking about, you guys. That is exactly what I'm talking about right here. I cannot believe that just happened live on camera. That was somebody from this YouTube channel that's reached out to me, bouncing ideas off. We're communicating and growing together. He's helping me, man, and apparently I'm helping him. I don't know how. I'm just being me. But I am so thankful for every single person that's a part of this. So it's really happening. I started this all from nothing, and my goal was to start a wood workshop with $0 because I was flat broke the day after Christmas. And what's the date today? March 8th. It's March 8th. This is a complete success. I have a whole wood workshop, and I cannot even believe it. And I started with $0. And I've actually have money in my pocket right now. I didn't have no money. This is crazy. And I have a group of friends. I met a best friend that's close by, personal. He's been to the shop. I got guys all over the country calling me. I can't wait to visit you guys if I'm in the area. Man, in West Texas, Mike, I can't wait to see you, brother. Man, and stop by and hang out with you and your boy. Man, this is the coolest, best experience I've ever had in my life. So, thank you so much, everybody. Man, this is real. So, this is how YouTube's changed my life. Thank you so much, guys. Peace.